Place the center plastic piece under the patient's nose and over the nasal dressing. The DaleMedical.com logo will be facing outward. Secure by placing the ear loops around the patient's ears. To adjust the size, lift one end of the strap and move the ear loop fastener tab in either direction along the strap to achieve the desired length. Fold the tab of the strap over the ear loop tab and repeat the adjustment procedure for the other side. To change the dressing, simply remove one ear loop. Change the dressing and replace the loop around the ear.